Okay, let's have a chat. Our world isn't working for us anymore. Why do we continue to operate this way? It's because people don't know what their options are. I'm Landria, and I'm here to give you an option to get out of that job that you despise, to get new skills, and to become a completely new person living the kind of life you love, if you choose. We do have options now. It's called an internet education, an online system that you can learn whether you have any kind of tech experience, products or services, or business background. It doesn't matter. If you're willing to learn, you can step outside the matrix. Thousands of people are doing it. Thank goodness. They're not waiting for technology to replace their jobs. They're using technology to empower themselves. You see, the things that we love doing in life are called hobbies. And what we do for a living, we're usually not passionate about at all. There's something wrong with that. I quit a 25-year investment banking career, a company that I owned, because it was literally ruining my health, and I no longer loved what I was doing for a living. I knew I had to go after my passion. I wanted to be a writer, and I saw an ad just like this. The founders of this amazing education system created a platform for everyday people to learn how to create online businesses. And I took advantage of it. I've been doing it for 5 years. I quit that investment banking job. I wrote a best-selling, award-winning book. It's a television movie. I live my dreams. I have several more publications. I have online businesses that have replaced my investment banking income and beyond. And the best part is I do what I love for a living, and I help change people's lives. And I'm here to offer those tools to you. I hope you'll take advantage of them. It's a free workshop series, the same one that I signed up for that changed my life, that gives you all the information so that you can decide if it's for you. If you don't like it, you can unsubscribe. But if you do like it, we'll offer you a 30-day risk-free trial to get on board with this system, to see what it's like. The step-by-step modules, the trainers, the mentors, the webinars, and an amazing community of like-minded people, people like you and I, who are stepping outside of that world that doesn't serve us well and creating one that we love. It's time. Let's use technology to empower ourselves. Let's take charge and create the lives that you deserve, earning the kind of money that you can dictate, and bringing value to this world. It can be done. Join the thousands of people who are making that decision to take charge of their lives and go after their dreams. Click somewhere here on the screen for your free workshop series, and I'll be there on the other side to greet you. Most of all, don't wait another day and live an unfulfilled life. Thanks for listening. Click for your free workshop series, and I'll see you there.